Welcome to our full guide on how to enable public story notifications on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Launch the Snapchat application on your Android device by tapping on the app icon. 2. Tap your avatar or profile picture at the top left of the screen. Locate your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen and tap on it to access your profile settings. 3. Tap the settings icon at the top right of the screen. Look for the settings icon situated at the top right of the screen and tap on it to enter the settings menu. 4. Tap notifications. Within the settings menu, find and tap on the notifications option to manage your notification settings. 5. Mark public story. Scroll through the notification settings until you find the option for public story notifications. Toggle the switch or mark the checkbox to enable public story notifications. By following these step-by-step instructions, you can easily enable public story notifications on Snapchat. Stay informed and connected with your friends' public stories by ensuring that you receive timely notifications. Thank you for watching our guide. Enjoy using this feature on Snapchat.